Guys, welcome to another video. My name is Catherine, and today we are going to be doing this very beautiful holiday kind of a glow up with me. I actually used some eyeshadow on my eyes. It's a very nice cool tone look, and I kind of like it. The fact that I don't have lashes on, and I feel like it still looks so beautiful, and I feel like that bitch just says a lot, I guess. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to let me know down below what other videos you guys want to see for the holidays. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all of that stuff. And without further ado, let's just jump right in. So I'm starting off by prepping the skin. I'm taking the Ordinary and the Professional to really prep my skin. By the way, I apologize. I didn't know that I was filming in cinematic mode. I thought I was in regular, so that's why the background is blurred. Then for brows, I'm taking the Precisely My Brow in shade 6 to just slightly fill in my brows. Then I'm going to go in with the Rare Beauty brow gel to really set them in place. I bought this brow gel at the Sephora sale and I've been enjoying it a lot. Definitely not a regret here. And the price was actually pretty good for the brow gel as well. For foundation, I'm going to take the Rare Beauty foundation into a 40W, I believe. And then I'm going to go ahead and use a Real Techniques foundation brush to go ahead and just blend this out. As you guys can see here, this brush does such an amazing job at just blending out the foundation. Then I'm taking the Say Do bronzer in Swim. If you guys saw my first Sephora haul, I did pick up the wrong shade, so I went ahead and picked one up a little bit darker, and I'm just going to use a Real Techniques blush brush to blend it out. And this color works so much better. The other one was just way too light and just disappeared on my skin. Then I'm taking the Say Do blush in Flirty. Someone told me to go ahead and just put it a little bit higher, so that's what I'm doing right here, and I feel like it's been making such a big difference. And I always like to leave my concealer for last, just in case I take the blush too high or anything like that, or the bronzer. So I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape right here, and I'm making sure I get my lid as well because I want to prep my lid for the eyeshadow that we're gonna do. I'm using a sponge here to really just blend this out, just because I have yet to find like a good concealer brush. Then I'm gonna go ahead and set the concealer with some Rare Beauty powder. I've been using this powder a lot. I have to get a replen of my collab powder, but until then I've been using this one and it works good. This doesn't give me that really nice brightening like eye effect like the other one does. Now I'm taking the Natasha Denona I Need a New palette, and I'm starting off by taking the shade Mesh, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that on my crease. Then I'm taking the shade Tender to really define the socket, going also back in with a brush with the Mesh shade to make sure everything's nice and blended together. Then to really deepen it up, I'm going to go in with the shade Silhouette on the outer corners to really just give it a nice sultry look. Then I'm taking two of the glitters. The first one I'm taking is Delilah, and I'm going to put that on the center. Then I'm going to go in with Sheen, which is a lighter shade, to hit that inner corner. Then I'm just going in with Tender and Mesh on the bottom lash line. Then I decided that I wanted to create like a nice little wing, so I'm using the shade Silhouette to do that, as well as just create like an inner corner cat look. I'm also making sure that I blend a little bit of that liner down into my bottom lash line so that it just all goes together. Then I am taking the Benefit Cosmetics mascara. Now moving on to face, I'm taking the Ila Ethereal Face Palette. I'm going to go ahead and take the bronzers as well as the blushes to really define the face. I like to go ahead and mix the two blushes together. And then now we are looking very nice and bronze. Working on the lips, I'm taking the Makeup Forever in shade 606. Then the NYX Cosmetics lip gloss in That Chic. You guys know this is one of my favorite lip combos of all time. I honestly think I do it in every video, and this will complete the finished look. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!